Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your ClickUp account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your ClickUp's account, firstly open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in clickup.com and make a search. The official page of ClickUp account will appear on the screen. Tap on three lines at the top right side of the screen and click on Login option. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your ClickUp account and click on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot option. This is how you can log into your ClickUp's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.